Good day to each everyone. This is Mr. Loreto of litollosala.com, and today we are here in Boyas Island, Masbate to repair our internet connection. So this is an off-grid internet connection wherein I am going to use, or I am using a panel, this battery, and as well as my router and my antenna to have an internet connection. You're going to see that the name of our Wi-Fi or the name of our router is Little27. Then, and when we access the dashboard, you're going to see that it has no service, so it doesn't have any signal. You're going to see here my panel and my battery. As you will notice, in my previous video, you will see a little bit different setup. I just replaced the pole. This one is a wood. So it's branch over tree, like that one, and this one, and this one. So I already changed the pack of the battery or the container. So before I am using this one a lot bigger, but today I replaced that with this 1.5 liter Royal True Orange Coke. So inside of that one is my battery and my BMS. So inside of that one is a 3S 10P lithium ion battery and 3 amps BMS. So it is the one supporting my whole internet connection. So we're now going to modify or see the orientation of our antenna for us to have the internet. So that's my antenna. Are you going to see that? So it is put in a bamboo. We're just going to zoom it a little bit. So apologize. Okay, so in that one, so that the upper white is the MIMO antenna. It is an 18 dBi MIMO antenna, and inside of that container, it is a paint container, is my router. So that router transmit Wi-Fi signal into our house, then it is being received by my repeater, and we connect to the repeater to have the internet connection. So now we're going to move the orientation of our router and the pole to have the internet connection that we need. Good news that we are already connected into the internet. So as of now, we achieved 4 bar, and I think we will achieve a great speed. So like that one, so we already have a 4 bar. It is only 3G because we are only 3G capable cell site. So we only have that cell site, then we don't have the 4G. And the location of our internet or the cell site is around 25 kilometers from here. So we still achieve 4 bar. So now we will go to the YouTube, then see if we have the speed that we want. So we need to have the internet speed that not now. So let's see that one. We're just going to play it. Okay, so as you can see, it will automatically play. So we are achieving great speed at the moment. So thank you for watching. This is Mr. LLosala. Have a good day. So if you want to have internet connection in the island, like here in Boreas, don't hesitate to call me or to message me in my Facebook account, and you can also comment in the comment section below. So thank you for watching. This is Mr. Loreto LLosala. Have a good day.